With Toy Story Land now being open at Disney's Hollywood Studios, what does this bring for the future to Hollywood Studios once Star Wars Land's open? We're going to look at this right now. So, over the last couple of days, Toy Story Land has opened at Hollywood Studios and it has been getting some phenomenal reviews. People loving Slinky Dog, actually rating it higher than Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is a family coaster that is very well received. Alien Swirling Sauce is doing really well, and the new queue line for Toy Story Mania is going down a treat with the Mr. Potato Head animatronic inside there, which is absolutely brilliant for Walt Disney World. But what is now this going to do for the future of Hollywood Studios? There's been talk all through the years about what's going to be next, what's the next phase going to be, where they're going to go and what they're going to do. So what is going to happen next? We have in probably about 14 to 15 months time Star Wars Land opening, which is late next year. So with the queues we have seen for Toy Story, we are looking at doubling for Star Wars Land. It is going to be phenomenal how busy it's going to be. So with people already queuing up at 3 o'clock in the morning, we can probably expect the same or even earlier. More than likely people trying to camp out to get in. But we are getting to that phase now that what's going to happen next. There's been rumours down the line that we're going to get a new name change for the whole park once Star Wars Land opens. But I think the biggest question is, where do we go? Where is the next phase they're going to take Hollywood Studios to? Now, this could be major enhancements to Indiana Jones in that park. Now, there is rumours of them bringing in, similar to what's at California with the Indiana Jones ride. The only issue with that being is Animal Kingdom with Dinosaur have the same ride, just themed to dinosaurs rather than that. So, what's next? Now, I've spoken to quite a few people about this in the past and asked them like what do they think and what we're gonna do with this. Now, there's a lot of people rumouring that Pixar could make a bigger impact. The way that Incredibles is just coming over at California Adventure. Sorry, can't get my words out. California Adventure. That basically is showing how big that is, them changing that roller coaster to that. Could that mean we're going to see something more Pixar? Could we get Incredibles? Could we get Monsters Inc? Could we get Cars Land? Could we get anything like that? The possibilities are endless. I do want to ask this question now. What do you guys think is going to be the future of Hollywood Studios? I think it's going to be something with Rock and Roller Coaster being rethemed and something going in that area of the park. And that's kind of what I'm kind of thinking there. One of the reasons I kind of think Pixar's going to be bigger in the park is the Beverly Sunset shop on in Hollywood Studios has now been renamed. It is now to Toy Story and Pixar merchandise. Formerly Sweep Spells is now part of this as well. That just shows Pixar is getting bigger and bigger, and Pixar Place is probably going to go. They're going to use it for queuing at the minute, and they're going to want something more with it. So what are we going to see? So, Toy Story has been a massive success, and there's a massive future coming on to Hollywood Studios. So my questions I'd like to ask you guys today is this: what more do you think we're going to see at the park? What additions are we going to get? Are we going to get a new land? Are we just going to get new attractions? Are we just going to get retheming once Star Wars open? Do you think we're going to get a new name for the park? If so, what do you think? They can look back on WDW Magic forums and they have a list there of names that have been put up there in the past, even what Walt Disney have put out there themselves, saying that, oh, these are tentative names we're playing with. What do you think? What do you guys think? Where are we going next with Hollywood Studios? That's my question. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, favourite, anything you can. Switch your notification bells on for this channel. Every little bit helps. I'm going to be back in the next few days with some top 5 videos, and we're also going to be throwing out news videos, hopefully 2 to 3 times a week, as soon as things break. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all real soon.